Welcome back, party people. My name is Daryl Wilson, and today I'll be showing you guys the top 10 best WooCommerce themes for 2021 and beyond. So I did a lot of digging and I spent a long time testing out other various WordPress themes, and you guys know how it is, but I came up with a list of 10 themes that I think you're gonna find really helpful. Now, 5 of these themes are free and 5 of these themes are premium themes for those of you who wanna upgrade. Now, these top 10 WordPress themes don't necessarily come in a specific order because I realize everyone out there has their own preference and style of what they want on their e-commerce store, but this is my personal preference of WooCommerce themes. Now, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It took me a long time to make this video, longer than I thought actually, but with that said, let's go ahead and start the video. First up, Shoptimizer theme. The Shoptimizer theme is pretty hard to find because it's not located on ThemeForest and it's also not located on the WordPress repository. This theme has its own website and is not part of any marketplace. However, the theme is actually quite promising. What stands out on the Shoptimizer theme is the commerce kit settings and the features you can add on your e-commerce websites. The theme is geared for conversions. First, you can add a detailed search Ajax on your website where you can let users search for specific products. You can also limit or add specific products in the search Ajax. Next, you'll have a countdown timer where you can display a checkout timer at the checkout page in order to increase conversions. Next, you'll have the option for an order bump. An order bump allows you to let users add specific products at checkout when they are proceeding to purchase their products. It does help increase conversions and you can definitely make more sales. Next, we have the stock meter. The stock meter will display how many products are available, adding scarcity to your products, helping you convert more sales. The WooCommerce options for this theme are pretty broad, and you do get a lot of options to decorate and design your shop pages where you can pretty much customize every specific element on the shop page, and there really isn't something you can't customize. We also have this in-stock feature that shows the items that are in the stock. You can also add additional widgets here, and you can add text or any other widgets you like a countdown timer. Let's say, for example, someone wants to buy a product, but for some reason they might not be ready. They can actually click this icon right here, which will display a contact form. Here they can get a little bit more information about your products before they purchase it. All in all, I do like the product pages. They're stylish and they're also geared for conversions. One drawback is the pricing. The Shoptimizer has a pretty straightforward pricing plan of $49 per year. However, it's a little confusing, but you'll have to activate and deactivate it to receive updates for that domain. You can learn more about their pricing and the domain usage on their facts on their website. I don't see a lot of WooCommerce themes geared for conversions, but Shoptimizer definitely takes the cake. I think the Shoptimizer theme is suitable for anyone who wants a quick e-commerce website, but aren't looking to customize every aspect. Next up, Kadence. Another good free option for your e-commerce website is definitely Kadence. The backend of Kadence displays your theme customizer in the backend where you can access specific elements. Kadence also does offer starter templates, but there are only 2 templates for e-commerce shops. The theme customizer for the shop page is pretty diverse and offers a good range of options. You may display the archive title, change the layouts, hide or display certain elements, and there are also 5 shop layouts to choose from. Another cool feature is the product image switch, which gives products animations when your customers hover over specific products. You may also customize and style the elements on the shop page like the title, the background, and the text description in the design tab. The single product page also offers a few different styles on how to design your products. Personally, I do think the product layouts are very similar and there's not a big difference between them, not unless you're adding a sidebar. On the single product page, you can add padding to the products, hide or display certain product elements, and I do like the extra option where you can display extra icons and sales pitches to your products. You may also control the related products at the bottom of the page and put them in specific columns. I do think the free version is suitable for e-commerce websites, and it does give you a lot of extra customization that other themes don't. There is also an additional plugin called Woo Extras, which grants more features on your e-commerce website. The Woo Features plugin displays product galleries where you can display products in the gallery. It also has a product image zoom. Additionally, it offers a cart notice where you can add more products in the shopping cart and grant deals. Next, variation swatches. Here the user can visibly see the color and pick from a size to make things a little easier for users to make decisions on your shop. There are also advanced reviews, size charts, extra description, product brands, and a checkout manager. Next, let's talk about pricing, and this is where I think Kadence needs a lot of work. The Woo Extra Feature plugin is $75. Now, I'm not sure if this works for all WordPress themes on the market. However, I do know it works for Kadence specifically. Now, just to be clear, this price does not include the premium version of Kadence. If you do want the premium version of Kadence and the Woo features, which is a separate plugin, you'll need to purchase the membership. The Kadence theme lifetime plan, in my opinion, is a little overpriced because they are including a lot of their older products like the Pinnacle theme and the Virtue theme to try to accommodate the bundle, which many people don't use or want. Moreover, I do think the Kadence theme has enough features in the free version to get anyone up and running with their e-commerce website. So give it a try. Next, Woostify. Woostify is another free e-commerce theme that actually has some unique features unlike any other WordPress theme on this entire list. The backend for Woostify is pretty limited in the free version, and you'll only be allowed to import starter templates. The rest of the features are strictly for the pro version. The free version has 2 starter templates to choose from, and the pro version offers 15. The theme customizers in the free version offer a pretty good amount of features. You can design the shop page by enabling or disabling elements. You can design the product card by adding a border to it. You may also enable elements, adjust the product image, adjust the sale tag, and also the out of stock label. In the free version, you can adjust the position of the add to cart. You can change the background, also the color. You may also adjust the single products, choosing from 4 different gallery layouts where you can add animations, zoom effects to your single products, and this is all available in the free version. One notable option is the cart page has 2 different layouts to choose from, which gives you some diversity from the basic boring WooCommerce cart page. Now, the pro version of Woostify is actually pretty useful. Upon activating the pro version, you'll have access to a ton of features like multiple headers, a search Ajax, fake sale notifications, and a whole lot more, which I really can't cover all in this video. However, the best feature that this theme offers is the Woo Builder, and I think that's what sets us apart from other WordPress themes. With the Woo Builder, you can create a custom shop page, a custom single product page, a custom cart page, a custom thank you page, and also a custom checkout page from scratch using the Woostify elements. Also, you'll notice on the left side of the builder that there's a tab for every specific page. If you click on the tab, it does show a large amount of elements that you can use with this drag and drop builder and build any page from scratch. Definitely, this theme has a lot of customization features. It also includes a lot of features that you'll need plugins for, like sales notifications and adjusting your checkout page. The only drawback I can think of is they should add more styles on displaying the products on the website. Other than that, I was pretty surprised about this WordPress theme. The pricing for this theme is pretty fair, where you can get the agency plan on unlimited websites for $129. However, this theme does not offer a lifetime plan, so if that's something that you're looking for, it's just something that they do not offer at this time. Otherwise, I do think this theme would be a solid pick for any e-commerce website, especially beginners who want to get started out with WordPress. JupiterX. Did you know JupiterX recently introduced a free version on the WordPress repository? The free version is pretty basic, yet it does offer a different way of styling your products and your shop using a unique pop-up designer. In the free version, you can display specific elements on your products, display custom sales badges, out of stock badges, and also it does offer a quick view option and some other features in the free version of this WordPress theme. The free version does offer some other small features like social icons and other information on your products. Personally, I do think the free version is just a gateway in order to purchase the main WordPress theme, JupiterX, which is located on ThemeForest. Now, to be honest, JupiterX does offer a ton of features, and I don't want to go over every single option because this video can get quite long, so I'll do my best to summarize it. First, let's talk about the backend options. JupiterX does offer some really nice templates. In fact, I think there are a few hundred to choose from. The templates are nicely designed, and I do think these are very practical. The backend settings offer some caching options, SVG support, and just some other options you might want to consider. It does also come with a rollback version, so if you updated the WordPress theme and something messed up, you can always roll back to the previous version. Upon installing Jupyter, if you're using the Elementor page builder, you'll also get access to 20 or 30 elements that you can use for the Elementor page builder. Now let's talk about the theme customizer options. With the theme customizer options, you can enable and disable specific elements on all the products. The Styles tab allows you to customize your products, where you can design and customize every element of the products. JupiterX comes with a product page builder where you can build the entire product page from scratch, or you can choose a template that the theme offers. There are other various customization options that you can apply on your single product pages as well. JupiterX does give you a huge amount of customization over your products, and although I do think this interface might be a little confusing at first, over time I think you'll get the hang of it. The pricing for themes on ThemeForest aren't the best. Each price only works with one domain, and you'll have to renew the support after 6 months, and that's probably the biggest drawback with purchasing any WordPress theme from ThemeForest, unfortunately. Personally, I do like the customization options with the JupiterX. However, I do feel they need to make things a little more simpler because at times I feel like everything is just cluttered and it can be a bit overwhelming for new users. If you've been using WordPress for a while and you really want to get in the nitty-gritty and design your shop pages and your product pages, I think JupiterX can really help you out. The Neve theme is a basic free theme that offers basic WooCommerce features for your e-commerce website. In the free version, you can adjust the sidebars on your shop pages and also hide fields on the checkout pages such as the address or the phone number. The Neve theme also comes with 6 free starter e-commerce templates to use at your disposal. If you want a simple e-commerce website, I think the free version will do just fine. Yet the pro version is where the Neve theme shines. In the pro version, you'll notice you'll unlock a lot of features on your shop page. First, you'll be able to set specific products per row. You can also set products per page. You also have the option to enable product filtering and toggle the layouts for your visitors. Next, you'll see the product card options. This allows you to display your prices in a grid or a style list. Then you'll be able to design the add to cart button and also enable different styles, plus a quick view. For those of you who want to display only categories on your shop, you can enable different styles of category layouts on your e-commerce website. The next option is image styling. This allows you to pick up to 8 different style animations, so when you hover over specific products, they animate based off the image style, which is a really cool feature, and I haven't seen a lot of themes that offer this. Next is the card content. Here you can enable or disable specific elements on your product page. You can also change the alignments of the pricing and the reviews for each product. You may also enable the advanced feature, which shows how many times a specific product was reviewed on the product page. And lastly, you'll have the sale tag options, which allows you to change the sale tag position, the radius, and also the color of the sale tag. On the single product page, you'll have a few options where you can enable or disable specific elements like the price, the meta, or even the short description. You can also change the gallery layouts to a normal or a left grid, and then you'll also have various options like enabling product tabs, breadcrumbs, and just some other cool features you might want to check out. And lastly, the checkout style. Here you can change the checkout style into 3 different styles. You can also adjust the padding, change the background color, or enable or disable features on the checkout pages like the address or the phone. The only drawback with Neve is the demo websites aren't really nice. They just come off as very generic, and I probably wouldn't use any of them on my WordPress website. Next, let's talk about pricing. The only drawback is if you want the lifetime plan with the WooCommerce booster and premium starter sites, you'll have to purchase the business plan starting at $2.99. I do have a 10% discount for this product, and I will leave that in the description below of this video. To be quite honest, the Pro version has an overwhelmingly amount of features, and I think this theme is probably one of the best themes for e-commerce websites. Next, Riode. The Riode theme is the newest WooCommerce theme to come out for WordPress, as it was just released in March 2021. First, let's talk about the backend. The backend prompts users with a setup wizard instructing them how to import the demo content and server requirements for this WordPress theme. Now, I really do like the demos for this WordPress theme. They're stylish, vibrant, and it does come with 40 pre-made e-commerce starter templates to choose from. There's also a built-in theme builder where you can have a specific product page, blog page, and other various pages. And yes, it does come with a header and footer builder plus a pop-up builder. It's pretty straightforward. It puts all the templates in one section so you can build your header and footer and single products all from one location. The interface is actually pretty convenient once you get the hang of it. The Riode theme comes with 20 plus elements for the Elementor page builder that are actually pretty useful, and I really do like this single product widget. Here you can directly add a single product on any page and make it look just like your product page. It also offers its own Riode options, which allows you to add specific effects to specific elements. Also, for those of you who are using the Con plugin, there is an element specifically designed for multi-vendor e-commerce websites if you choose to build one using this theme. Next, let's talk about the theme customization options. Now, the Riode theme does offer a lot of features, and I probably can't cover all of them, so again, I'll do my best to summarize them. There's a tab to design the shop page where you can adjust the products per row, enable a simple shop, which will strip specific elements, making your site look simpler. You can also change the pagination to a number or load more, and just other very small options you might want to go through. The Riode theme also offers a separate tab called Woo Features. This tab enables special features on your website, like enabling product compare, where your customers compare products against each other, and the sales pop-up, where you can recommend specific products on your website with a pop-up without a plugin. I really do like the single product page where you can pick from 6 different designs on how to design your single product page, and I like the fact that they show you what it looks like to make things a lot more easier. There's also additional options like sticky carts, adjusting related products, and stuff like that. Also, for those of you who want to display categories instead of products, they do offer a large collage of different styles on how you can specifically design categories on your shop page, which is actually really unique. Overall, I really do like the features from this WordPress theme. It's simple, stylish, and the demos look fantastic. The only drawback is I personally don't really like the theme builder. I just find it a little confusing at times, and even myself, I was stumped a few times on how to change specific elements on a page. Plus, it does have the theme forest pricing where you'll have to pay one fee for one domain. However, all in all, with all the competition out there, I do think this WordPress theme is a top-rated WooCommerce theme for WordPress. And if you are looking to diversify, definitely check out the Riode theme. Hey guys, real quick, I want to give a heads up and talk to you about something that you should know about these WooCommerce themes and hosting. If you're using shared hosting like HostGator or Bluehost, many of these themes will not work with your hosting servers because they do not allow you to adjust the server settings in order to meet the requirements for these WooCommerce themes. For example, you cannot adjust the max execution time on HostGator shared hosting that you need in order to run many of these WooCommerce themes. In order to make sure these themes work for your hosting, I recommend NameHero and also hosting your cloud. NameHero servers meet the criteria for all of these WooCommerce themes, and they also do allow you to adjust these server settings to meet the theme requirements, so you won't have any problems and your website will be fully optimal. I do have the largest discount code available NameHero offers, which is 73% off, where you can host your entire e-commerce store for as little as $50 a year. This discount is exclusive to my link, and I will leave that link in the description below of this video. Also, for those of you who are outside the United States, I recommend the hosting your cloud. The hosting your cloud server allows you to adjust the server specs in order to meet the criteria for all of the WordPress themes as well. I do have a coupon code that will save you 10% on all cloud plans regardless of how long you sign up for. I've seen many users complain about WordPress themes on my channel, but the real issue lies because their hosting is just not optimal or compatible for these WordPress themes. So make sure you have good hosting. Next up, Porto. The Porto theme has always been a widely popular e-commerce theme over on ThemeForest. Upon activating Porto, you have a few backend options where you can access theme options and set up a setup wizard, a speed optimization tool, and your theme builder. The setup wizard prompts you to activate your WordPress theme, install a few plugins, and import some demo content. The demos for the Porto theme are actually really nicely done, and I really do like the style of these designs for this WordPress theme. You can also minify CSS and adjust other options so you don't have to install an optimization plugin, which is pretty helpful. Next, let's talk about the theme customizer. Now, the biggest drawback of the Porto theme is the theme customizer settings are located on the backend only, which is a little old school. The e-commerce options for the Porto theme are priceless. They have a ton of options and it's really hard to cover each individually, but you can tell just by looking at the screen, they do have quite a bit of options to mess around with. One option I really like is the pre-order label, which allows users to pre-order products on your website, and you may also display available dates and a date message as well. Porto comes with 10 different product layouts. You can pick from a few depending on what you want for your store. There's also different ways on how to present the add to cart notification, so we can display them in different styles. You can also turn on image swatch, show reviews, show description, and basically hide or enable specific elements. It also comes with a compare option where you can compare products on your store against each other to help the users find out what's best for them. I also do like the widgets for Porto. I find the filters are really helpful. They look clean and very professional. Now, besides the theme customizer options for your products, Porto also has Elementor elements, which also adds different styles and product layouts, which is really cool. Porto does offer 5 different views on how to display your products, like a list, a slider, and also a grid layout that you can design and customize. Next, let's talk about the single products. The single products offer a few options, and it also gives you 10 different product layouts on how to design your product layouts. I like this feature because they demonstrate how the product will look on your shop page, giving you a real life example. There are 10 styles to choose from, or you can design your own single product page using the builder and the Elementor elements. And there are also a lot of options here that you can go through, like showing the SKU numbers, showing related products, showing social media links, and all that stuff. It also gives 2 different styles on how to design your cart page. There is type 1 and there is type 2. Also, there is 2 different styles for your checkout page. There is style 1 and there's style 2. Don't forget, Porto also has a library of templates that you can use at your disposal. There are not much as the other WordPress themes, but it's still better than nothing. Overall, I think the Porto theme has a good amount of options. The only drawback and the biggest drawback is the server requirements. This theme requires a huge amount of resources, and if you're using shared hosting, you probably cannot use this WordPress theme. The max execution time alone recommends around 600, when the industry standard for all WordPress themes is generally around 120. I can see how people like the Porto theme and would use it on their e-commerce websites. Although I do like the demos, I'm not sure if I'd use it on my website because I can't really see what I'm customizing. Yet the options are impressive, so if that's something that might work for you, go for it, give it a try. Next, the xStore. The xStore theme has been a highly purchased WooCommerce theme on ThemeForest for quite some time. First, the X theme offers around 100 starter templates, which look really nice. The theme also comes with a header and footer builder for those of you who want extra customization. The X theme does also offer a file generator, which will help speed up performance and avoid calling the style of elements that you do not use on your WordPress website. The theme also comes with a built-in email builder that allows you to build your emails from scratch, which is really cool. It does also offer unique features like a sales booster, which allows you to create pop-ups on your website. You also have the option to enable a progress bar on your checkout page. Lastly, you'll also be able to enable the request a quote feature, which allows users to request a quote regarding specific products. Next, let's talk about the shop page theme options. The shop page layout comes with a ton of options where you can change the sidebar on various pages. You can also change the sidebar on category pages. You can adjust the products per row and on the category pages and the shop pages. It also comes with a sticky bar option where you can make your sidebar sticky on your current shop page. You can also adjust your products as a grid or a list view. If you're looking to build a custom shop page, the xStore theme does a pretty good job with the features it offers. Now, I also do want to point out the xStore does offer their own single product builder. This allows you to build your product pages from scratch from the ground up. Personally, I did find it a little confusing and it will take time to get used to. I think the xStore theme can improve on the intuitiveness of the single product builder because I can see beginners having a very difficult time on how to use the single product builder. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to design your products from the ground up. The xStore theme shares the pricing model for all of the other WordPress themes on ThemeForest. So the price works for one domain and you'll have to renew the support after 6 months, which is the biggest drawback, again, on buying any WordPress theme from ThemeForest. I do think the xStore theme is promising. I can see the theme trying to push the limits for WooCommerce features. However, if you're new to WordPress, it might take some time to get used to, but that's still not a bad thing. If you're looking to diversify your WooCommerce shops, I think the xStore theme is definitely worth a shot. Next up is Blocksy. The Blocksy theme probably offers the most features in the free version than any other WordPress theme in the WordPress repository. Blocksy does offer a few starter templates, but just a few for e-commerce. One drawback with Blocksy is the demos work for specific builders. So for example, one might work for Brizy, one might not work for Elementor, which can lead to frustration. The free version of Blocksy gives you a ton of options and you'll have different ways to customize the title of the shop page. You can also disable or enable specific elements on the shop page like the title or the description of the product. You can select up to 2 different shop styles and adjust the columns and rows for your products. The cards option allows you to customize the star rating, the sale badge, and the product categories. There is quite a lot of customization with this WordPress theme that is all available in the free version. You'll be able to customize your single product pages with 4 different styles: narrow, normal, left side, and the right sidebar. You may also change your area style to a wide or a box, Plus, you can hide specific elements on your product pages as well. Now, the Pro version of Blocksy unlocks a variety of e-commerce features, and there are also more coming soon, such as their multi-step checkout and the distraction-free checkout, which will be available very soon. The Pro version offers a quick view feature, which allows you to view a product without loading a new page. You'll also get the option to add a sticky add to cart, where users can add products to their shopping carts with a sticky view. Blocksy also offers a unique feature called the off-canvas menu, which allows you to display specific products and filters while they are navigating your website on the shop page. For example, I can add a cart widget on my off-canvas menu, and when I hover over this and I press it, you will see that I have the products available in the cart. You may also add filters or any other widgets to your off-canvas menu to make things really convenient for your visitors when they're shopping on your shop page. Overall, I do think the Pro version of Blocksy unlocks a lot of really cool features that will just help you build your e-commerce website. Next, let's take a look at the pricing structure. For the annual plan, you'll be able to purchase the agency for $99, which gives you access to unlimited licenses for unlimited domains. Or you can upgrade to the agency bundle for $299, and you'll be able to install Blocksy on as many domains as you like, and that is a one-time payment. I do have a 10% discount for Blocksy, and I will leave that in the description below of this video. There are some other small features that are located in the Pro version. However, I've already made a full tutorial on Blocksy, so if you do want to see that video, I will leave that tutorial in the description below of this video. Next up, Flatsome. Flatsome has been the top-rated e-commerce theme over on ThemeForest for quite some time. There are some notable differences between this theme and others on the list, but first, let's talk about the backend options. There isn't a lot of backend options for this WordPress theme except registering your WordPress theme and a setup wizard, which allows you to import some of their starter templates. The setup wizard simply walks you through the process of importing a new template on your e-commerce website. However, there is one important option on the backend called UX Blocks, which does allow you to create custom product pages and custom shop pages from the ground up and apply them to specific products or categories. Essentially, it's a product builder and a shop page builder. As I mentioned earlier, the one big difference between Flatsome than other WordPress themes on this list is that it has its own page builder called the UX Builder. It's pretty intuitive, and after probably about an hour of using it, you'll get the hang of it. What I like about the Flatsome theme is there are different ways on how to style your products with this page builder. It also does come with different styles, and you can fully customize everything about these products to achieve a specific look on your e-commerce website. Now, the biggest plus using the Flatsome theme is there is a load of demos, and each of these demos is geared specifically for e-commerce, making it a very convenient choice for building e-commerce websites. You can choose from a premium template, or you can pick from specific sections like call to actions, campaigns, categories, clients, and so on and so forth. The WooCommerce options for Flatsome are pretty broad, but you can pretty much customize everything, and you might notice here I have a custom shop page. However, you can always use a default shop page, adjust the sidebar. You can also have different lists, adjust the products per row, have a specific header on your shop page, and then you can go ahead and enable or disable a specific element on your shop page for further customization. You may also build a single product page yourself, or you can use from various templates, and they have around 8 to choose from. And as you can see here, I decided to make a single product page myself using the custom options. Flatsome also does offer further customization options with the checkout page where you can choose from 3 different styles, and you may also enable or disable specific elements on your billing details contact form. I do like Flatsome more than other WordPress themes. I find the options are just really easy to work with, and it's usually always responsive. The page builder might not be the best on the market, but it definitely gets the job done. Also, I hate to break it to you, but Flatsome also does offer the same pricing model as the other themes on ThemeForest, where you'll have to pay for 1 website per domain. Overall, I do like the Flatsome theme out of the box. I feel it's very stable, it looks really professional, and it has a huge amount of templates, so no matter what kind of website you're trying to build, they'll probably have something for your website. I have also created a full tutorial on how to use the Flatsome theme, and I'll leave this tutorial in the description below of this video. It became YouTube's #1 most trending video for how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress. As you guys can see, there's a lot of people commenting. A lot of people do really think this theme is amazing. And in this video, we make this same website. So if you do want to learn how to use Flatsome and how to make an e-commerce website, I will leave this tutorial in the description below of this video. And with that said, thank you guys all for watching this video. I really hope it helped you guys make a decision on what theme to use for your e-commerce website. All right, so what did you guys think? Were they good? Were they bad? Do they suck? Let me know what you think about these WooCommerce themes in the description below of this video. Feel free to like try them out, you know, go through each one, see if they work for you. Guys, I spent so long making this video because my experience was I was testing out like 3 or 4 themes and I'm like, oh, this is cool. And then I'm like, nah, it's not cool, you know? So I had to go back and then re-edit the video. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know again if you guys have any questions about these themes, and make sure to like this video. And until then, I will see all of you party people in the next video, guys. Take care.